I usually can find a different way to work the problem from how the explanation is in the book. For this problem, I don't see any other way to work it. So for any positive integer n, the 2 height of x is defined to be the greatest non-negative integer such that 2 to the n is a factor of x. So x divided by 2 to the n will be an integer. So we're trying to figure out the largest value of n. Okay, if k and m are positive integers, is the 2 height of k, well, the 2 height of k would be k over 2 to the n. Is that greater than the 2 height of m? So that would be m over 2 to the n. So let's look at clue 1. K is greater than m. Well, let's choose some values for, that's not going to work, I don't think. K is greater than m. So let's let k equal 4. If I let k equal 4, that means 4 over 2 to the n. So what's the greatest value of n such that 2 to the n will go to 4? Will go into 4. Well, n would have to be 2. So the 2 height, because 2 squared is 4, and 4 we're going to 4. So the 2 height equals 2. I'm going to just say 2h for 2 height would equal 2. Now let's choose a value for m that's less than 4. So let's let m equal 2. If m is 2, that's going to be 2 over 2 to the n. Well, what's the 2 height going to be? That's going to be, the 2 height will be 1, because 2 to the 1's 2, 2 we're going to 2. So what have I got there? I've got the 2 height of k. The 2 is greater than 1, which that would answer, that's a true statement. But let's see if we can find something that makes this thing false. Once again, let's find a k, and let's let k equal 3. So if k is 3, that's going to be 3 over 2 to the n. Well, are there any values of n, 2 to whatever, will go into 3? No. So that means the 2 height equals 0. And now let's let let's let m equal, let's let m equal 2. So once again, I'm satisfying k is greater than m. So that would be 2 over 2 to the n, and the 2 height would have to be 1. But this time, it's not a true statement, because 0 is not greater than 1. So clue 1 does not work. Let's look at clue 2. Clue 2 says what? K over m is even. K over m is even. So that means k over m is 2 times some number. And that would mean k equals 2xm. So that tells me that the 2 height of k, is going to be at least 1 more than the 2 height of m. So that works. Answer's B.